content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of new incoming inventory. All makes, all models, foreign and domestic. We are the premier salvage and repairable car dealership of the Northeast, perhaps in the United States. 50 to 70 vehicles arriving every week consistently. Right now you're looking at I believe a 2018 Acura RDX with front end collision damage. Right now we're inspecting the engine compartment. As you can see, everything is sitting in place. The unit does start, it does drive. It's got 46,000 miles, I believe. Upper radiator support is damaged here. Looks repairable. Condenser looks damaged. Bumper reinforcement is damaged. That's not part of the frame rail. The frame rail starts back here. There's just a bumper extension. Need a bumper reinforcement. Need the extension on this side. Other than that, the frame looks pretty good. I don't see any signs of frame damage here. Quick walk around. Hood looks like it's intact. Fender has some repairable damage. You got a scrape on the bottom of the right front door. A scrape on the bottom of the right rear door. Some repairable damage to the quarter panel here. All that's repairable. It's not a big deal. Pretty nice vehicle. It's an all-wheel drive. A couple scratches here, a little dent. There goes the damaged bumper. You have only one curtain airbag deployed. Sunroof. Interior is in good shape. You have a seat airbag that's deployed, also on the passenger seat. Overall, nice vehicle. Won't take much to fix this. Parts are very cheap. Nice builder for someone. Thanks for watching.